Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Why did the senator representing Borno South, Senator Ali Ndume, describe the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a government of thieves, as a government dominated by thieves? What does he mean by that? What are the implications of this frontal expose on Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration by a member of his own political party? That is what we're going to unravel in this video. Welcome. And if you are new to my channel or have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Senator Ali Ndume has alleged that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration is riddled with corruption and boldly described it as being dominated by thieves. Ali Ndume said that Tinubu's government is dominated by thieves. Now, the senator who represents Borno South made these remarks during a press briefing in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Now, he was speaking on the state of the nation. Now, normally, Ali Ndume will speak, maybe invited at a national television. He will release one salvo or the other against the Tinubu administration. But this time around, he organized a press briefing and invited the media to tell the media his mind. And it was in that occasion that he described the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government as a government of thieves, or government that is dominated by thieves. He expressed deep concern over what he termed a growing culture of impunity and unchecked looting within the corridors of power. So he was saying that looting is ongoing, unprecedented looting is going on right now in the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, let us examine Ali Ndume. Senator Ali Ndume had been in the National Assembly since 1999, first as a House of Representative member, and then as a senator, and later as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He has been the chief whip of the Senate. He has been a principal officer in the National Assembly. By his contact and his connection, and being a member of the ruling party, the All Progressive Congress, it is believed that he has access to information that you and he has privileged information about the workings of government, about the transparency and accountability in government, about what is going on in the Tinubu administration. So he is speaking from the point of knowledge. He is speaking from the point of experience. He is speaking from the point of somebody who had been in government for this long. And he is crying out that this government is dominated by thieves. Ali Ndume is not on record to have said something like that about Buhari administration. If he has said, perhaps we'll dig in and try to find it out. He has not said similar thing about the PDP government that is dominated by thieves and looters, like the Tinubu administration is alleging right now. So it shows that he is somebody who has information, who is speaking from a point of knowledge, from a point of access, from a point of position on what he is talking about. So he is not a roadside critic. He is not a motor park tout. He is not anyhow. He is Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who had been in the Senate since 2011 or thereabout. So he is well knowledgeable on the workings of governance in Nigeria. Now look at what Ali Ndume said. He said, this government is full of thieves. This government is full of thieves. I'm quoting Ali Ndume, Senator Ali Ndume, senator representing Borno South, describing the Tinubu administration or the Tinubu government. He said, this government is full of thieves. They are just stealing money shamelessly while Nigerians are suffering. This government is full of thieves. They are just stealing money shamelessly while Nigerians are suffering, said Senator Ali Ndume. Continuing, he said, we did not fight for democracy to watch it overtaken by criminals disguised as public servants. We did not fight for democracy to watch it overtaken by criminals disguised as public servants. He criticized the lack of transparency and accountability in the disbursement of public funds, particularly in the areas related to poverty alleviation, fuel subsidy reforms, and infrastructural projects. Now, if you look at areas he pointed out that there is no transparency, you can't fault him in those areas, like poverty alleviation. Do you know who is coordinating the poverty alleviation? After Beta Edu's saga, in which she was suspended as a minister, how are they coordinating the matter? How are they coordinating the issue of poverty alleviation by the humanitarian ministry? Nobody can tell anymore. So he was talking. The other day I heard him when he was complaining, when they were saying that some of the money borrowed was to alleviate poverty, to transfer cash to the vulnerable. Ali Ndume was asking the moderator or the anchor of the TV program, that was Charles Anioglo. And I was asking him, who are the people that benefited from this poverty alleviation cash transfer? Then you talk about the fuel subsidy reform. Now, they said no more fuel subsidy. But how is the money being disbursed? What are the records available about the money? All you hear is that states are getting more money than ever before. How is that disbursed? How much was collected? What was the total money that the country had gained from the fuel subsidy reform? And where are we channeling it? Even Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, had also questioned where they are directing the money generated from fuel subsidy removal. So Ali Ndume is saying, this fuel subsidy, there is no transparency on how the money generated from the fuel subsidy removal is being spent. And then he talked about infrastructural projects. There are so many people that have raised questions about infrastructural projects in Nigeria today that they don't follow due process. For example, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar has questioned the bidding process that led to the award of the multi-trillion naira contract for the Calabar Lagos Coastal Highway. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. Atiku Abubakar had questioned the transparency in the award of that contract, because so many things went there that didn't satisfy Atiku Abubakar, and he drew attention to the fact that there was no public bidding for it. It was just awarded to one person who is alleged to have a link with the president. That was what Atiku Abubakar had alleged about that. And there are so many other issues over transparency, accountability in the administration. Now, these are some of the things that came readily to mind when Senator Ali Ndume is raising issues of transparency and accountability. So I don't know what to think about Ali Ndume's latest assertion that the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a government of thieves or government dominated by thieves. What do you think? Is he right or do you think he's wrong? Even if we go to Transparency International ranking of Nigeria under Tinubu, are we better off today than we were when the PDP were in charge or corruption has gotten worse? Go and check the Transparency International ranking of Nigeria under Tinubu and compare it under the time of PDP, and you shed tears for Nigeria. But whatever may be your assessment, what is your view on what Senator Ali Ndume said about Tinubu's government being riddled by corruption and dominated by thieves? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you, and please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.